Bitcoin. I wanted to take a moment here on the daily chart to explain the different structures again. Got a question from one of our members on our Discord server in our community chat. So yeah, it's just a great way of asking questions, and so it always gives me the opportunity to address these in videos, but I want to do that for everybody's benefit. So we'll start on the daily time frame and then take a look at the smaller time frame. Yeah, I'm amazed how much Bitcoin is struggling. I mean, the idea was still for lower prices to unfold. We will take a look at that on the smaller time frame, but Bitcoin cannot even generate a larger bounce. That surely is also, to a degree at least, related at the moment to the pressure in the stock market. But overall, the pattern has not shown any meaningful bounce yet anyway. There hasn't been any strength. There hasn't been any impulsive strength. No 5-wave move up. As I always say, you know, we need to see a 5-wave move up to indicate a low of sources in place. Both counts still point towards lower prices. We are, though, in an area where a bounce could occur at any point. I shared it yesterday that daily RSI is oversold. Yeah, or we talked about that in yesterday's video. But the focus here is now on the different wave counts. So if a bull market has topped, what are the pathways? First of all, let's talk about the bullish count. There is still a bullish count. From the April low, I can still call this a 1-2 setup. Now, this is not a prediction. This is simply a scenario. And the scenario needs to validate itself, needs to prove itself. Yeah, we have 5 waves up from the April low. We have a pullback that still looks overall corrective. And so we haven't maxed out what a wave 2 can do. The wave 2 can technically go all the way down to the April low, but ideally shouldn't break below the 78.6 retracement. Ideally shouldn't break below 83K. But it is a 1-2 setup that still allows for higher prices. So we shouldn't ignore that.